Yeah, but you know, the right thing. Take what 5 years of your life in a prison.
That you call me here for Savage.
No, you know. And by the way, I don't even want to use the Isaiah name neither, you know, brother. Because this discussion is really biblical. You know what I mean? Better me call you by your street name. Numbers. What? So I need you to look about something. To a file on somebody for me. Important.
And you couldn't send that to me in a message.
To a hacker? No man. I want to deal with it right now. That's why we're there, so. Face to face. Nothing man.
Where you want me?
I'm really proud with how the project are going on.
Well, as the young people them would have said, and me fit tell you,
You know, so we have another dance project like this in the country though.
what? On the spreading in the wings, man. No, that's what I call development.
And that is what I love to say. Positive development.
Amen to that. Thank you.
So more community projects like this.
I drink to that.
Alright.
I want to tell you, a few more kids from that community and neighboring communities have been showing interest.
What?
Yes, so you soon have full classes.
That not sound bad at all, King. You know, I see Tony and enjoying herself in these classes. And it also brings out a different side of her.
It's called growth. And I must tell you, you're doing a wonderful job with that young lady. There's a marked difference between in her, you know, since from the time I meet her till now, you know.
Yeah, man. I always tell her I'm proud of her. I'm proud of her development, you know. But there is a little issue. Anis, I'm concerned. She seems a little distant, distracted, like, you know, she not here with us, even though she in the class. I wonder what happened.
So, what happened? You know, try to find out?
Well, I want to tell you, King, I asked Tonian to talk to her. And based on what Tonian said, she said she have flashbacks from the incident.
Oh, that is expected, man. But you did say that she's been engaging in the class. So my suggestion would be to give her a little bit of added responsibility. If I even with some of the younger ones, make sure to teach some of the class. You know?
That sound good. That sound good, King. Good suggestion. Because that way also keep our mind occupied.
That is it.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell Tonya, me and Tonya we talk and then we can organize who do what, when and such.
Sounds good. And I will keep an eye on her as well.
Okay.
You know? Oh, I don't know if I did tell you, you know. But there's some slight changes happening up there, you know.
Really?
Yes, man.
Like what so?
Well, Mark, you know, has moved on to greener pastures. He has migrated.
What?
However, he has a sister who has bought out his shares. You know, she kind of a little bit reserved, but she seemed like somebody that is willing to, you know, be a
Okay.
part of the team.
Well, I hope she understand fully what we are trying to do in the community.
Based on dialogue with her on the telephone, she seemed to be up to it. And, you know, we plan to meet face to face shortly, so.
That sound like a plan. King,
Yes.
how often Savage come up there?